Good morning, guys. Afternoon, but you know what I'm like. To me, it's morning. Anything before 2 o'clock these days is morning. Oh, how is everybody? Okay, guys, can you make sure you have a chair, please? We're gonna need a chair for a little bit of bum work and leg work towards the end of the workout. So you don't need it right away, but you will need it towards the end. So if you can, go and get yourself a chair, or make sure the couch is free, okay? Because we are gonna need it. It's a little bit windy down here today, guys. I don't know what it's like where you guys are, but right here, it was windy yesterday, but today, I guess the only good thing about that is, I'm not gonna show you because I've positioned the camera so it's actually gonna stay, okay? Because I'm scared if it's windy, it's gonna knock my phone off. So it's positioned where I don't want to actually move it, but because it's windy, no construction workers today, okay? So bring it on. Okay, guys, just join in. Hello, Lou. Hiya, Kane. Can you get yourselves a chair, please? We're gonna need a chair for some bum and some leg work in a little bit, okay? We're gonna be starting in about 1 minute, guys, okay? If any of you know a decent barber, please send them my way. This is actually getting ridiculous. It really, really is. I'm fed up of wearing a hat, okay? There's so much hair under here. Oh my Lord. Morning, Frankie. Frank, get yourself a chair, babe, please. We're gonna need one towards the end of the workout. Just a few more seconds, guys, okay? We're just gonna wait for Miss Rachel Tatler Makeup to actually join. She better had be. Where is she? Come on, Rach. Right, okay then. Okay, so listen, she's gonna just have to join in when she joins in. Right, we're gonna start, guys, okay? Give me 1 moment. Right, okay. So, standing tall, turning your head from side to side, please. Side to side. Lovely. Make sure your arms are down by your side actually for this, okay? I want all of the neck, all of the shoulder muscles to be quite relaxed, quite loose. We don't want them to be tense. Okay then, shoulders. Roll the shoulders round in a forwards direction, please. Keep the arms, again, keep them close to the body, please. Okay, and now let's switch and let's draw circles going backwards, please. Lovely. Okay, right, okay. Left hand by your side, right arm in the air. Make sure your arm is touching your ear, okay? And all we're gonna do, we're gonna lean over to our left side, okay? As we lean over, let your left hand go down your leg, past the side of your knee. Lovely. Let's keep going. Okay, and we're now gonna switch. So, right arm by your side, left arm in the air, it's touching your ear, and let's lean over to our right side, please. Lovely. Let's keep going. Just a few more. Okay, lovely. Right then, guys, okay, we're going to twist from side to side. Remember, every time we twist, we look behind us, okay? Look behind you. Amazing. I think it was this point yesterday where my little video actually cut off. I've never gone over an hour before with you guys, okay? I'm gonna try my absolute best to make sure it doesn't go on for an hour today. It won't. Keep looking behind you. Okay, right then, 20 squats, okay? 20 backwards lunges, okay? Hiya Joe, mate. That'll be everything done, and then we're gonna go onto the floor, and we've got some ab exercises to do. Okay, so, feet a little bit further apart than shoulder width, please. Your feet, your toes facing forwards. 20 squats, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And remember, we want these squats to be very, very slow, and want them to be really deep as well, okay? As you stand back up, squeeze your bum together, okay? Oh my Lord, it is windy. It is really, really windy, guys. Oh my Lord, this is amazing. Let's keep going. I've completely lost count. Let's say that's 10. Okay, 10 left. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Quick shake of the legs there, guys, please. Okay, keeping it slow. Okay, we are now going to do 20 backwards lunges. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, oh gosh, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. You see, because the camera is now at this angle, right, I'm doing the lunges, having a cheeky glance at you guys, and then I fall over practically, okay? It's so important when you do squats or lunges, especially lunges, keep focus on something in front of you and don't take your gaze away from anything. Right, we're gonna go to the floor, we're gonna do some abs, guys. Let's go. Scotty DJ is in the house. Hello, Mr. Dudley Jones. I'm guessing you're just watching. You're probably in the bath or something, am I right? Right, okay, we're gonna start with the lower abs first, okay? And then we'll go on to the upper abs in a little bit. So, all we're gonna do first of all, we've done this before, okay? You're gonna be absolutely fine. Lie on your back, okay? You want both legs in the air, knees bent, like this. Let's say we start with our left leg. We're gonna do 10, where we straighten our leg and we take it down. It does not quite touch the floor, and we bring it back. We're gonna do 10 with our left leg, then we switch, and we do 10 with our right leg, okay? Then we do 10, both legs together. Really tuck the knees in when you do this. And then, arms over your head, we are gonna do 10 top crunches and lower body crunches, okay? We bring our knees in and we take our hands to our ankles, okay? 10, 10, 10, 10, okay? That is all one round. We're doing 2 rounds in total, okay? Perfect. Okay, let's get started. Legs in the air. Starting with our left leg, okay? Our right leg stays where it is. 3, 2, 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. Arms out behind you. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. Oh my God, it's actually starting to rain. Let me just shove you underneath here. As if I'm doing this in the rain. Oh my God, as if it's raining. What the hell? Right guys, round number 2 please. Get your legs up, knees bent, starting with our left leg first. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's switch legs. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. Both legs. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh. Okay, legs out, arms out behind you, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, we're now going to move on to our second lot of ab exercises. Okay, this is going to be for the upper abs. Okay, so what we're going to do to begin with, we're going to do 30 crunches. Okay, then we're going to take our legs in the air, right in the air, cross the ankles, and we're going to do 20 reaching for our shins. Okay? And then we're going to do 10 arms out, legs out, V-ups, where we're taking our arms up to try and meet our shins. Okay? So arms and legs come up together, and we're doing 10. So 30 crunches, okay? Then we're doing 20 shin reaches, okay? And then we're doing 10 V-ups, okay? All of that is one round, and we're doing 2 rounds in total, okay? Let's get cracking. Okay, so feet on the floor. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Well done. Oh my gosh, this rain, guys. Right, get your legs in the air, ankles crossed over, hands together. We're reaching for our shins. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, arms out behind you, together, legs out in front together. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god. What a day to do this on, guys. Flipping heck. Okay. It's windy. It's raining, okay? Oh my lord. But I'm still going to keep going, so let's hope this hat stays on, because that really annoys me when it comes off. Okay, we've got one more round of that to do, please. Okay, 30 crunches, 20 shin reaches, 10 V-ups. Lie down. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Well done. Okay. Legs in the air, ankles crossed, hands together. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, arms out behind you, legs out in front. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Okay, we're going to look at our arms and we're going to look at our chest now. Okay, so I'm afraid this is going to all be press ups. Okay, we are going to do 10 press ups with quite a narrow grip. Okay, so I'm not saying I want the hands together, okay, but I want them about shoulder width, no further apart than that. Okay, we're going to do 10 press ups like this. We're going to rest, and then we're going to do 10 press ups with a really wide grip, okay, to really focus on the chest. Okay, then we're going to rest. We're doing 6 rounds of this in total, guys. Okay, now you can either have your knees bent, feet up and ankles in the air, okay, or feet on the floor, bum tucked in. It's entirely up to you. But we want to do this. The first set is a narrow grip, the second set is wide. Okay, 10, rest, times 6. We've got this. Okay, let's get cracking, shall we? Okay, in position. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, shake the arms out a little bit. And now we're going to do 10 wide grip, okay? Get yourself in position, get ready. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. 2 rounds done. We have 4 left. Okay, the next one, narrow grip. Remember, you do not want the hands to go past your shoulders at all. Not for this one. Okay, get yourself ready, please. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Okay, shaking the arms out, please. You know, I'm a big fan of that in between sets. Wide stance, wide grip. Okay, Get yourself in position. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. 4 done. 2 rounds left. If you're feeling this a little bit now, good, because so am I. Okay. Narrow grip, please. Let's get ourselves ready. Remember, if your feet are on the floor, tuck your bum in. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Oh my word. Okay, we have 1 set of this left, okay? And then it is all about the bum and then the legs. Okay, let's just do it. Wide grip, please. Our last 10. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, guys. Okay, now you're going to need your chairs, please. Okay. Right then. Okay. So, lying on our back. If you can push your chair against something, okay, that might be helpful here. If you can't, don't worry, okay? But if you can, it would be helpful, okay? So basically, okay, lie on your back, put your feet on the chair, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the glute bridge exercise, but the way we're gonna do it, we've done this before, but not with the chair. Have your left leg in the air, keep your right foot, your right heel on the chair, okay? We're gonna do just 5 glute bridges, okay? Then we switch, left heel on the chair, right leg in the air, and we do 5 glute bridges, okay? Then with both feet on the chair, we do 10 glute bridges, and we hold for 10 seconds on number 10, okay? That is all 1 round. We're only gonna do 2 rounds of this, okay? Cool. All right then, guys. Oh look, the sun's come out again now. The good old British weather, eh? Okay, right, so, lying back on the chair, okay? Right, we're gonna keep our right heel on the chair, our left leg in the air. Hands by your side, please. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Left heel on the chair, right leg in the air, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both feet on the chair. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, get ready, 10, hold it there, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Okay, keeping your feet on the chair, give your bum a bit of a wiggle. Okay, let's do the next round, please. So, we're going to keep our right heel on the chair, our left leg in the air. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left heel on the chair, right leg in the air, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both feet on the chair. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, get ready, 10, hold it there, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Okay, keep your chair here because we are going to need it again in a moment, okay? Before we do some legs, we're going to do one more exercise for the bum, okay? So, bit of dancing queen, guys, eh? Don't say I don't treat you. Okay, right, so, we've done all of these exercises before, okay? Well, except for one, but it won't be an issue at all. So, you're going to be on all fours, okay? And we're going to do a donkey kick into a leg raise, okay? We're going to do 20. Then we switch legs and we do 20 with our left leg, okay? Then we go down onto our forearms, okay? And we do 20, okay, with our right leg. Okay, we do the bum lift, okay, where we keep the knee bent into a straight leg raise, okay? So basically, we're on our hands for the first exercise, we're on our forearms for the next exercise, okay? So, it's 20, 20, 20, 20. That is one round, little rest, and then we do it all over again, okay? So, to begin with, hands and knees, okay? Right, we're going to start with our right leg, 20 donkey kicks into leg raises, okay? 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lovely. Let's switch legs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now, stay on your knees. Go down onto your forearms now. Okay, so our bum is going to be high in the air. Right leg first. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Other side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Okay. Sit back on your knees. Okay? Sit back on your knees. A little bit. Okay? Wiggle yourself around a little bit. Okay? We've got all of that to do one more time, okay? Just one more time. Let's crack on with it, eh? Okay. So, on your hands and knees. Right leg first. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Other leg, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, go down on your forearms now, please. Right leg first, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my God. Keep going, guys. I'm just going to put this underneath here. Ah! Guys, it is absolutely tipping down, okay? Oh my God. I'm going to have to stop this, okay? I'm so sorry. It is actually pouring down. I love you. Thank you for joining.